Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Market Analysis from ElioSignals.com. Today, we want to have a look to the gold and silver markets from A to Z. Actually, because there is much conflict throughout the web regarding the real count for gold and silver, and to precisely pointing the current wave for gold and silver. So we have to begin from a long time to determine the whole Elliott count, the whole structure that gold and silver are trying to make. So we will start with gold first. We will move into the weekly chart. As you see from this chart, we have a weekly chart in the screen pointing the whole structures since a long time to the moment. First, we will start with the color as indicated in the screen, which is the white color, indicating the first move, the first wave gold has made, pointing it to wave 1. Then gold make a simple wave 2 in the form of zigzag. If you refer to smaller time frames and like 1 hour or 4 hours, you will find it is a zigzag, because I have traced this movement since long time, and I have the labels to the moment. Then gold made another wave 1 as indicated in the red color. Then wave 2 in the form of a regular flat. So we are now in the red color. Then the price moved sharply to wave 3 as indicated this, and in this case wave 3 is counted as each wave as an ABC. It is not necessarily to count waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as impulsing waves, but you can count it as an ABC, and it is correct, and it is mentioned in Elliott theory. If you refer to books of the Elliott wave theory, you can find we can count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, the impulsing wave, as ABC, and some people saying this is they have added new things to the theory, but actually they did not, because the whole thoughts and the whole descriptions they are claiming are mentioned in the by Elliott in his books. So we refer to the we go back to gold. As indicated in this red line, we see wave 3 as a very aggressive and fast wave, and this is suits with the position of this wave. Then we made wave 4 in the form of a regular flat also. So wave 1, 2 in the regular flat, wave 2 and 4 are regular flat. Then as you see, wave 5 is in the form of contracting in the diagonal. This is the whole wave 3. The whole red lines are for wave 3. But we are in the discount, we still have a missing part of the count, which is wave 4 of the whole structure. The current movement and the movement gold has just made in the past few months, it is indicated as wave 4. So wave 4, we come again with the white color. The white color for this is A, B, and C. It is called also regular flat, textbook regular flat. Even this is A, B, and this is wave C. Despite for wave B not retracing the whole movement of wave A, but it is accepted by Elliott theory for the retracement of wave B to be at 0.618 of the whole movement of wave 3. And wave C is in the form, wave C in the form of expanding flat for 5 waves. So we go back, we go to smaller time frames and to check what is happening for wave 4. We can go to daily time frames, zoom out. Okay, this is the whole structure for wave 4. We'll label it again with the white color. So this is the first movement from this bottom. Very clear, A, B, and C, 2 waves, 2 legs to the upside. Then we have A, B, C. Then we have 5 legs to the upside in the form of expanding diagonal. This is wave 1. This is wave 2 in the form of regular flat. Wave 3, 4, and 5. So to label, we have C for 4. This is wave 1. This is wave 2. This is wave 3. This is 4. And this is 5. And the whole structure is wave 4, which had ended since a few weeks ago. So wave 4 for the whole structure is in the form of regular flat for wave 4. Let me come to this piece and pay more attention to for this piece and try to find the count for it. As we see from the chart, this for our chart, the price is impulsing to the downside in the form of ABC. So we count waves as started from this top as an ABC. So the first leg is ABC, which is wave 1. The second leg is ABC, which is 2. Then we come impulsing to the downside. And I want to stress on this point for wave 1, which in this case, which is in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the whole structure is wave 1 of 3. Wave 5 in this stage is counted as 5 waves because it is we call it we count it in 5 wave because it is extended, and it is usually to find one of the impulsing wave as extended. So if you come to lower time frames for each leg of this wave, you can find it as an ABC. Then wave 2 come right there. Then wave A, B, C for wave 3 has ended. Wave 4 as an ABC, and now we moving as wave 5, which I expect to reach the target 1,124. So this is the whole structure, and after finishing wave 5 of 3, we might we come to wave 1, 2, 3, 4 in the white color. 1, 2, 3, the white color. the price will gonna make wave 3, 4, then 5. This will drag the price to around 970 and lower. Okay, let me go back to weekly chart. So gold is in an pulsing market to the downside, and every correction we can anticipate next leg to be to the down side. Okay, so this is the correct count for gold and long and short run. So our final leg for wave A will be around 970. We will that's all for gold, and now we come to silver. This is the count for silver, which had just made some impulsing waves to the downside in the form of 1, and the whole structure in the white indicating the main waves. This is 4, and we still, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which will drag the price around to 9.80. 9.80. Wave 4 in the form of a triangle will go to smaller time frames and show you the triangle. Okay. We'll remove this. Okay. This is the end of wave 3. This is wave 3 ended right there. Then the price moved as this. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E in the form of contracting a triangle. A, B, C, D, and E, which started right there. From this point, the silver has started to move impulsively to the down side. So we will start counting from this area to the downside. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, till the price reaching 9.8. 9.8. So this is after we have known the correct count. We can see that after each correction we can short silver and gold, and this is coinciding with the market correlations of dollar index, euro, pound, and the yen. See you in another market analysis, and goodbye.